Hi, boys and girls. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how we can write an introduction to an opinion paper using our graphic organizer below. This is the same graphic organizer that you'll use. First, you'll see that we need to write a hook. Just like in the video, what are you going to do to grab your reader's attention? Okay? You could start with a question or a fact relating to your topic. I'm choosing to use a question. Here is what I'm going to put. Can you imagine having a cat or dog in your classroom? My hope is that many people would think that that was intriguing or want to continue to read further. Who wouldn't want to have a cat or dog in your classroom when there's so many people that love cats and dogs? The next part, then, is stating your opinion. So you need to tell the reader your opinion and let them know that you will give them some reasons to support that opinion. So here is what I decided to write. There are several reasons I wish that schools should have dogs or cats in their classrooms. The only thing that's missing is my actual opinion. So I do need to state that. I think dogs and cats should be allowed in classrooms. So there it is. Can you imagine having a cat or dog in your classroom? That's my hook. And now I'm going to go ahead and try to get my reader to continue on by stating my opinion and letting them know that I have several reasons. There are several reasons I wish that schools should have dogs or cats in their classrooms. I think dogs and cats should be allowed in classrooms. Now it's your turn. Try and have fun with your hook, like the video. Give people a good reason to want to watch. I'm sorry, not watch, but read your story. Have fun.